Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about my favorite topic, and that is teas. You know, I do a lot of teas and I love doing teas because it has so many health benefits, and I keep talking a lot about it. But today I'm going to talk about my favorite tea recipe, which is going to help you in your gut health. We did a couple of gut health videos last week and I do talk a lot about gut health. But today's tea is going to be exclusively for your digestion. It's going to help you with your bloating, and it is also going to help you with your skin, your metabolism, just everything. You know, when it comes to teas, we have an amazing tea culture, especially in countries like India and in many Asian countries. And doing teas has a lot of benefits. So first we'll talk about the recipes and the ingredients that are going to go in today's tea. The first one that is going to go in this tea is green tea leaves. So you can use 1 big tablespoon of either green tea leaves or you can use black tea leaves. The other thing that you need is 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So you can use organic turmeric or any turmeric that you have in your kitchen. Then what you need is 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So here's the thing about black pepper and turmeric. When you mix black pepper and turmeric is absorbed well because black pepper, it acts as an aid to digest turmeric. The other thing that you need is sauve. So you need 1 teaspoon of sauve. You need ajwain, and you need to add all this in about half liter of water and boil it for 20 minutes. And when you boil it nicely, then add lemon from top. So add about half a lemon to it. And always remember that you should never add lemon while cooking or while heating the food because it breaks down and then you don't get its right health benefits. The other thing is the food or the tea that you're making, and if you add lemon to it, it tastes a little bitterish. So never add lemon while heating food or while cooking food. So when you take your tea in the cup, then you add lemon. That is the exact tea that I'm drinking right now. And this is one particular tea that you can have post meal. So you need to have 20 minutes after your breakfast, after your lunch and after your dinner. This will help you with your digestion. If you feel very sluggish and very sleepy after your meals, this tea will make sure that you don't. You will feel refreshed throughout the day. And the other thing about teas is it helps you with aging. So if you really want to look younger for the longest period of time, and if you want to brace agefully, I think you need to drink teas 3 to 4 times of the day. So doing a lot of teas meaning doing 3 to 4 cups in the entire day. And you can experiment a lot with teas. You can go with white tea, you can go with chamomile tea, you can go with a lot of flower-based teas, you can go with a lot of herbal teas. So I'll be doing a lot of blends, a lot of combinations of teas, and here's my first video on it. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you start with your teas from today and let me know how you feel about it. So if you like this health tip, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your loved ones and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. And always remember, it's never just a diet, it's always a lifestyle. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay grateful and stay blessed. Bye.